Welcome back to KTN Prime. Thank you for staying with us. Now, it was the final push today as campaigns officially came to a close ahead of Thursday's by-elections in various parts of the country. From Mbeere to Narok, political heavyweights pitched tent in their respective regions, making their last appeal to voters before the 48-hour campaign blackout kicks in. Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki was in Mbeere North constituency, Embu County, while his opponent Rigathi Gachagua was in Narok County. At the same time, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission has assured that Thursday's by-elections will be free and fair, as Clement Masombo now reports.
In Mbeere North, Deputy President Kithure Kindiki led a series of rallies in support of UDA candidate Leonard Muthende. Kindiki, accompanied by a host of elected leaders, urged residents to vote for Muthende, anchoring his message on development promises, from improved roads to better access to public services, should the constituency elect the UDA candidate as their next member of parliament.
Inaitwa Mbeere North. So, angetukumbuka ile siku, sio saa hii. Na kwa nini? Nasikia ya kwamba vile siku ile alikuwa kwa kirauni ametetea miraa na muguka ya watu ya Mbeere hapa.
The Deputy President dismissed criticism from the opponents, insisting that the government has a clear plan for Mbeere North. He further issued a stern warning to the opposition, accusing them of orchestrating plans to disrupt Thursday's voting exercise.
Na wale wamekuja hapa na vijana, sijui vijana 200 hapa, wako na majembe na silaha. Wacha tupimane nguvu yenu na nguvu ya serikali ya Kenya. I dare you. Kwa sababu mmekuja hapa na mnafikiri mtaleta fujo, ndio wananchi waogope kwenda kwa kupiga kura haki yao. Mujaribu Thursday.
Ya Mbeere heshima. Ametupatia heshima kubwa. Ametupatia vyeo kubwa katika serikali yake.
In Narok Town, Democracy for the Citizens Party leader Rigathi Gachagua led his final campaign for the party's Narok Town Ward MCA candidate Douglas Masikonde. Meanwhile, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, has assured residents of Mbeere North that Thursday's election will be free and fair. Speaking at the IEBC offices in Siakago Town, the Mbeere North Constituency Elections Coordinator John Kinywa said the commission is done with all necessary preparations for the by-election.
The commission has ensured that we have the necessary materials, both strategic and non-strategic materials, and the packaging is ongoing in the Taring Center, which is St. Bakita Girls Secondary School.
Clement Masombo, KTN.
All right, as we've told you earlier, the